Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is Dalton My World. If you don't know me, this is Dalton My World, where I tell you a little bit about stimulus, I tell you about EBT updates, as well as this is a variety channel. It's a variety of other things that I do talk about, review. All right. Now, today we're going to do an unboxing. That's right. I've been waiting on this for a minute. We're going to do the unboxing of the Cintex wireless government iPhone. That's right. I said the Cintex wireless government iPhone. Now, they told me that that I could pick through a lot of different phones. Some of them, all of them name brands. Most of them Android, but this one was an iPhone. So I wanted to see if they are true to their word or not. Okay. Some people are saying, oh, that was a sham, whatever. So only one way to do it is to check it out, right? So I finally got it. And we're going to see if they actually gave me an iPhone or if they gave me a Android, gave me an excuse. So let's do this. All right. Get your drink, your snacks, and let's roll. All right. Now, let's see. This is the box that it came in, Cintex. I have all my information marked out, of course. But this is the Cintex box that it came, Cintex wireless box right there. And let's see, got my trusty knife here. This one's so old, I'm gonna have to buy me some new ones. I have an associate I work with, she sells them. She has some beautiful knives, whole catalog. I'm gonna have to buy some from her. I used to collect them when I was younger. I used to collect knives all the time when I was younger. All right. So let's do this. Cut away from yourself. Yeah, there we go. Down there. Like I'm so impatient. It's like a present. Oh yes, oh yes. Okay. It comes with a card. So you can actually call them, okay? Gives you some instructions on that card. Very professional. And that's the customer service number for them, okay? This is the quick start manual. Starts you up there. I have a quick start manual. Okay. And this is something else. Okay. This is kind of like being your own phone, if you didn't know about that. All right, the good stuff. Let's see. Oh, yes. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I'm shocked. Oh, okay. All right. So this is this right here. This is an installation kit. This lets you install your SIM card. This shows you, gives you all the tools that you need to install your SIM card. Okay. And the SIM card right here, but apparently they already put it in for you, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay. Now, ooh, this is cool. Before we get to the juicy stuff, this is super impressive. I like that. Okay, I'll get to that in a second. And here it is, people. Yep, they kept their word. Look at that. iPhone SE, first generation. Apple logo on the back. Okay. If you don't believe it, it says iPhone right there. iPhone SE. See here. Turn this on. I'll see it booting up. Okay. Now this is the iPhone SE. To my knowledge, this is the iPhone SE. It looks brand new. This is the iPhone SE first generation, not the latest one that came out, which is the second generation. Okay. But this one is still in the month of September 2021. It is still getting security updates. So that means with Apple, you still get security updates. You still can get help on your, on your phone. If it's a brand new phone, and the only way you really can tell if it's a brand new phone is if you call Apple and try to register it. They'll let you know if it's a new phone or not. Okay, but that's another part. Now, oh yes, there it is, people. Look how pretty that is. How smooth and clean and clear that is. Okay, check the sides. Right there. Oh yeah. Volume buttons. The back has a single camera. But iPhone is known for its hardware. Okay, so even if this is the SE first generation, their cameras are better than some of the entry-level Android phones you got coming out now. Trust me. I mean, they pride themselves on their hardware and their cameras. Okay, so even if you have an older one, it's still better than some of these newer entry-level Androids. That's just a fact. Okay. I've known people who end up getting into taking pictures after getting their iPhone because it's just, it was such an enjoyable experience and they came out so clean. Now, there you go. Now, if you look at it at the very top, I don't know if you can see it, it says LTE, which means they already put the SIM card in it. It's ready to go. I can use it as a phone right now. Okay, so they took care of all that. Now, the second part that I was going to tell you about, that was excited about, is they also give you a charging cable. I mean, they go all out, man. You get a full charging cable for your iPhone, and this works on other iPhones as well as your wall socket to connect this to this and then charge up your phone. People, I got one. My iPhone I got a little while back was an iPhone 7, and I got it from Boost Mobile, and the guy told me it was brand new, and it didn't even come with no headphones. It didn't come with an adapter. It didn't come with this at all. Nothing. And I thought I was getting a good deal. So I went to register it because I was using it for work. So I went to register it, and they were like, sorry, it's used. And you told me it was new. Okay. And then I was like, okay, well, I can't, I was learning all about it. I can't listen to music. Well, you just use the adapter that came with it. Well, the guy never even sold me an adapter. He just sold me the phone. So I kind of got gypped. The reason I'm telling you this is they're giving you everything here. So everything that they're supposed to give you. So that's awesome. Also, when you're dealing with, you want to register your phone, and that's the way you can tell if it's new or used or what. You want to register your phone with Apple, and that way you can get a Apple email and you can learn more about Apple. You can actually call them and get general inquiries answered with your phone. If it is a brand new iPhone SE first generation, then I get 90 days of tech support from Apple for free, including tech support from Cintex wireless. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, and this is a way for people, if you want to, you can get into the Apple world and get your hands wet and start using some of those beautiful apps and services that Apple has to offer. Okay, even if you're using a government phone. So that's awesome. And I looked around and I searched, and this is the only one that gives you an iPhone to use as a government phone. The other ones do not do that. Now, here's the fact. If one can do it, then another one can do it. They just don't want to do it. Cintex did it. They perfected. It's good to go. Okay. I'll be testing it out later. But you already saw how clean that looked. Look at that. Look how clean. Yeah, I got fingerprints on that. But y'all saw how clean that looked. Okay. You see my selfie light there. You see how? Yeah. That is a clean looking baby right there. Okay. Fits in hand nice too. Okay. And that is my unboxing of the Cintex free government iPhone. Okay. Some people thought it was a scam, but then as you see, it's not. Now, some extra information. The process takes a little bit longer than most, but you do get your phone, as you see. Okay. You once the process is complete, you see all the information, including your tracking number, on their website. Okay. They keep telling you they're going to send you an email, but they don't. So you get all the information from their website. Okay. And then you can, and because of the United States Postal Service, you can set up where you get your alerts about where your phone is, when your phone's delivered, all that stuff. Okay. Especially if you're in bad neighborhoods, it's good to know, oh, it's been delivered, so you can go out and get it before someone, try to mess around with your stuff. But it fits nicely into mailboxes, so you probably don't have to worry about that. I mean, it's like perfect. They thought of everything. Okay. Now, so when I looked on their website, their website is stuck at processing your application. It doesn't go any farther. Okay, so I didn't like that. Now I have the phone right now, and it still says processing my application. Okay, if I can get a picture of that, I'll show you. Also, I didn't like the fact that it really was no way to contact them, because you have to have your phone number if you want to talk to anybody. And if you're getting a phone sent to you, you don't have a phone number. You don't know what your phone is. Okay. If let's say for instance, my phone got lost, there's really no way to communicate to them that I never got the phone. Okay. That would just put me in a loop, a catch-22. All right. And I didn't like that. That's something they need to work on. But it looked like it is a legit company. Y'all saw the phone, the iPhone, straight. It's free. It's mine. Okay. The only thing you have to, with them, you just have to say that you're going to be with them for 4 months. Yeah. Poof. And most people don't get a government phone just so they can not be with them, so they can stop being on them after a month. After 4 months, the phone's yours. If you wanted to buy it outright without having to wait 4 months, I think it's like $100. Okay. Which is still a really good deal for iPhone SE, first generation. All right. And that is my unboxing of the Cintex wireless government iPhone. And I shall wrap to y'all later. Peace.